Welcome back to the channel. Just got back in from a really good session. Had an awesome time. Bagged out on snapper again, and this time they were all good fish. So the plan was today, I knew that not many people would be out here because it was so windy this morning. It was blowing 40 plus, and for all intensive purposes it was miserable out there, but had to really work and ended up getting the fish, so I'm really happy about that. And this is a ski for a run. So she's got low hours on her ski, mine's getting up there. I've got to service both of the skis because it's coming up to whale season. We want to get out there and have a look at a few whales, so we'll get that sorted. Yeah, so really happy with today's session. I hope you enjoy the video. Hell out here today, but that's good because no one's out here. That was all part of the plan. So there's one on the tinny over there and myself, so I got the whole place to myself. This is what I'll be using today. A 4-inch Molex Forklex. I see a lot of the boys do good with them, so I'm going to give it a go and hopefully get a few fish. Hopefully won't be out here for too long. The conditions here in the channel aren't too bad though, apart from the wind which is blowing, which is gonna affect the drift. But we'll just do a couple of dummy drifts and okay, that was a fail. So the 1/2-inch jig head with this strong wind, which is probably blowing about 30-40 k, won't get me to the bottom with the wind blowing that strong, affecting the drift. So I've had to change now to a 5-inch bleeding banana and Z-Man with a 5/8 jig head on it. So hopefully it can get down there. Won't give us much action, but we just got to get down to the bottom. Just got to get down there and see what happens, see if there's any fish around. Yep. Okay, I found the fish. So it's a snapper, the weight hit. Oh, it's a good snap. It's a really good snap. Woo! Yes. Beautiful snapper. Probably 50. Yes, that's what we came for. Right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, just hanging on by thread. Look at that. That's good. Alright, we found them. They're sitting in the shallows. They're not in the main channel. Awesome. I found the fish, so it's a snapper, the weight hit. Oh, it's a good snap. It's a really good snap. Woo! Yes, beautiful snapper. probably 50, mid-50s. Yes, that's what we came for. Right in the corner of the mouth. Oh, just. He's a really nice Brisbane River snapper, this one. He'd probably be around 50 centimetres, I'd say. So, yeah, really happy with that. We'll take him home and eat him. A few more of them and I'll be happy. Bit of S factor. Certainly in tight spot. So another snapper, another good snapper. Yes, baby. Factored him up and he swallowed, absolutely swallowed that plastic. He couldn't get enough of it. Look at that. Right down the gob. Another really good snapper. Absolutely swallowed that plastic, that 5-inch. I'm finding the 5-inch is working better with that 5/8 jig head. It's getting to the bottom quicker. It's not lasting too long when I do get it down there. So yeah, I'll try that again. Stick with that 5/8, I think. dropped it. Ah. Damn it. Yep, yep. What do we got? It's running a little. Oh, that's a fucking cracker snapper. Another quality snapper. Another quality snapper. This time on the 4-inch fork flex. One more and I'll bag out. That's a good snapper. Really happy with that. Really happy with that. Right. That's 3 fish around 50 plus. We're going the clone prawn again. Got a big hit on the clone prawn before, but then we got busted off. Man, something was just smashing on it. Yep. Whatever it is, it's pretty good. I think it might be a snapper. Oh. It could be a Jew actually. I think it's a snap. I'm going to stop calling it. I'll get it wrong for sure. As soon as that dropped to the bottom, that thing was smacking on it. Oh yeah, she's peeling some line. What do we got? It's a snapper, it's a good one. It's a really good snapper. Probably the biggest one so far. Oh yeah, that's a cracker. That's an absolute cracker. You love that clone prawn. Woo! Okay, it's a bag out, I'm done. I'm not going to get greedy, not going to damage any fish. Just take what I need. That's it. That's a good quality snapper. That's a quality Brizzy Ruby snapper, river snapper. Look at that. Perfect. Right, it's been a good session. All big fish. Clone prawn done the damage. That's it for me. I'm going home. I'm done. Probably got 2 meters of snapper, so I'm wrapped with that. Okay, so we're going to measure these fish, see what they ended up being. We got 46. 49.5. 47. This is the big one. 54. I thought they were a little bit bigger, but that's not a bad haul. Happy with that.